Welcome to Daniel.T relationship channel where we build successful relationship and marriage. My name is Daniel, and in this video I'm gonna hit your mind with relationship that leads to marriage part 1. So very soon I'll be dropping the part 2. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out any of my great content. Now the first thing on my list here is what I called ready to face issues and problems. So let me tell you this, relationship is not just an express. Okay, relationship have its own up and down. You don't think relationship will just be going smoothly without any obstacle. No. Be ready to face problem in your relationship. You know why? Relationship that leads to marriage is whereby both partners come together and tackle the issue, the problem that can hinder their relationship to lead to marriage or to grow. Okay, so this issue or this problem might be ranging from ego clashes, lack of respect, lack of time, pressure from families and all that. So you just have to face the problem and solve the problem. Remember, relationship is up and down. It's not just smoothly all the time. You face problems, you face challenges and face some issues. Now the second thing that relationship that leads to marriage entails is by taking small things serious. I do say this. Sometimes you might be doing some things you think it doesn't matter, okay? Your mom might be complaining about some small things you have been doing, some small behaviors that you don't even count. But let me tell you this, they are the ones that count the most, okay? All the small things that you think it doesn't matter, I don't care about it. Come on. These are the small things that is triggering your man to get mad at you. These are the small things that is causing your man to be moody. Okay, so make sure you deal with all these small things. Whenever your man is complaining about all those things, make sure you make amendment. Let's assume your partner complains that you don't want something and you keep repeating the same thing. And it is very small thing that you can just amend, but you just think it doesn't matter. My sister, my brother, it matters, okay? Make sure you take small things very serious. These are the small things that is causing hindrances in your relationship. So any relationship that leads to marriage, embrace, taking small things so serious. Now the next point here is embrace understanding. Another thing that relationship that leads to marriage embrace is embracing understanding. The question is, when you don't understand your partner, how can you place him or her? How will you be able to place your partner when you don't understand? See, let me tell you this. The first thing you have to do, you have to observe your partner. You have to study your partner. And the next is that you have to understand him or her. It is when you understand your partner that you will know what your partner needs, that you will know what your partner like and dislike. If not, you'll be doing it the wrong way. So every relationship that leads to marriage embrace understanding. So try to understand your partner and your relationship will surely lead to marriage. Then number 4 is you sharing each other problems. Relationship that leads to marriage always share their problems. Okay, see, there is one adage in Yoruba language that says "Igba ìṣòro ni a mọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́," meaning that it is the difficulty times, okay, the challenges time that we know friends. This is the period for us to know people that really love us. It is when I'm facing challenges that you stick with me in terms of problems, in terms of challenges. That is when I will know that you are my friend. That's why I know that you truly loves me. Okay. It's not when things is going on smoothly. It's not when, I'm enjoying that I didn't face any challenge that revalidates that you really loves me. Okay, it is when I'm facing challenges, you stand by me, you take good care of me, you really care and all that. You show that you really love me in this period. This is the period for me to know that yes, this partner loves me. This is one of the great things that relationship that leads to marriage imbibe and embrace. Okay, that make it work for them. Then the number 5 here is quality time. I do say this on my channel that quality time is very, very important and it's one of 5 love languages. Okay, you have to embrace quality time. Most especially women need attention. Even men need attention as well. Give quality time. Just create some of your times and have fun with your partners. You can dedicate some time for discussion, like for communication, for you guys to reason and communicate together. Come together sometimes, go for this and all that. Just try to reaffirm your love for each other. So quality time is very, very important. This is what relationship that leads to marriage applied. These are the formulas, they put in place that make it unique, that make it work for them. So these are the things you have to do as well. So the next thing that relationship that leads to marriage apply that make it works is that they kill the mentality of I am the boss. See, let me tell you this: relationship that leads to marriage, they don't dominate, they don't prove to dominate, but they respect each other beliefs and opinions. They respect each other, they respect each other personalities, they respect each other likes and dislikes. Okay, you man, you don't prove you are the boss in the house. Then you lady, you don't prove you are the boss in the house. No, you guys respect each other. So that is why you guys can come together. That's you guys can that's you guys can confirm that you guys are compatible. Both of you are not greater than each other. Okay, in love we are all equal. In love we are all equal. In love we are in the same level. We love each other. Okay, because I see you as myself, and you have to see me as yourself as well. So we have to come together and respect ourselves. This is when we can say, okay, we love each other. Okay. Another thing that relationship that leads to marriage apply is well-defined purpose. A relationship that doesn't have purpose is going nowhere. It is the purpose of a relationship that will be the driver to drive the relationship to its destination. And what is the destination of your relationship? It's marriage. Okay. What is the purpose of a relationship? That is the question you need to ask yourself right now. What is the purpose of your relationship? And if you know the purpose of the relationship, what is the definition? How do you define this purpose towards the growth of your relationship? So now I would like you to do something for me. So go to the comment section below now and tell me the purpose of your relationship. I'll try my best as much as possible to go through the comment and reply all your comments. Okay, all your point is valid. So tell me the goal of your relationship, the purpose of your relationship, and how you define it. Very, very important. So remember, any relationship that doesn't have a purpose is dead already, but just living. Now we have come to the end of this part 1. Watch out for the part 2. So I'll be dropping the part 2 of this video, relationship that leads to marriage. This is very, very important. If you want your relationship to lead to marriage, make sure you don't miss out. Okay, so subscribe to this channel now. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button for me. Smash it for me. Okay, so and share this video to others. Let people know what is going on here. Let people know and understand how they can grow their relationship, how they can move their relationship to its destination, which is marriage. So subscribe now, and very soon I will drop in the part 2. I love you guys and care for you.